everyone, today we are doing an activity that we call close procedure, and that means I have given you a narrative that I have written about one of Traction Man's adventures, and I have deleted some of the words from my narrative, and your job is to read closely and decide which other words could fit in these spaces. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. We'll start by reading the whole of the first sentence, which is a question, and then we'll go back and think about what should go here. So, have you ever, what dangers lurk inside your garden? Have you ever, Now I need a verb there because I'm asking my reader if they've ever done something. And the verb I used in my narrative was wondered, but I want to use something different than that. So, have you ever thought about, dreamed of, but something higher than thought and dreamed would be imagined. So I'm trying to use my higher level vocabulary here. Have you ever imagined what dangers lurk inside your garden? Let's do the next one together. Who would save your toys from if you couldn't? So I need a noun there. I'm asking my reader who would save their toys from something, a noun. The noun I used in my original text was danger, but I don't want to use that. I want to use something different, so I want to expand my vocabulary. And another word for danger, an even higher level word, is peril. Who would save your toys from peril if you couldn't? This is the story of Traction Man and how he saved the toys from Professor Spade. Now it's a gap before the noun, so I know it needs to be an adjective. Let's think of an adjective for the villain, for Professor Spade. Wicked, evil, vicious. What about cunning? Cunning means wicked or evil, but it also means quite clever as well. So I'm going to use cunning. This is the story of Traction Man and how he saved the toys from cunning Professor Spade. Okay, now let's do the next paragraph together. We've done our opening, now we're on to the who paragraph. So I need to explain my characters, describe them to the reader. Traction Man was an action figure. He seemed the same as any other action figure in the toy box, but he was different. Traction Man was stronger and more than all the other toys. Now here I've got adjectives in a list, but I've deleted 2 of the adjectives. So Traction Man was something that tells us what he's like. Perhaps we could have, what would be a higher level word of saying braver? We could try the adjective bolder, which is another way, a higher level way of saying braver. Traction Man was bolder, stronger, and more something. More, I'm going to use the adjective heroic, because it shows my reader just how brave Traction Man is. Traction Man was bolder, stronger, and more heroic than all the other toys. I'll keep reading. His role was to protect the house from evil forces and keep everyone safe with the help of his loyal scrubbing brush. Now this is an expanded noun phrase. I've got 2 adjectives before the noun here. So I need another adjective for scrubbing brush. I could have friendly. I used trusty in the original story with his, why don't I say smart? Because scrubbing brush does help Traction Man get out of a few dangerous situations with his brains in the book. So I'm going to put smart, loyal. Now something that says he's friend but higher level than friend, I'm going to use the word companion. Companion. Let's read the sentence back and check that that adjective and that noun makes sense. His role was to protect the house from evil forces and keep everyone safe with the help of his smart, loyal companion, Scrubbing Brush. That makes sense when I read it back. I'm happy with it. And that is how we do close procedure. Now it's your turn to have a go at the rest of the narrative. Good luck.